So today we headed to South Venice, which is just south of Sarasota, and we are checking out this brand new construction off-market property that is going to be finished here in October of 2022. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it would make an absolutely amazing vacation rental, but also an amazing second house as the beach is only 10 minutes away. What's going on, everyone? My name is Noah, and if you guys are looking to relocate to the Venice, Sarasota area, I have a relocation guide for you that I want to give to you. So just drop a comment down below in the comments section and I'd be more than happy to provide that for you. But with all that being said, let's go into this house and check it out and see all the advanced builder upgrades that are in this property. And here's also what's nice about this property is even though this does not come with a pool, there's plenty of space to put a little bit of a smaller pool. So it is a very attractive feature for a vacation house or also when you want to cool down in your second home. Another attraction with this property is that it does have a little bit larger of a garage. And let me show you what I mean. So right behind me is an extension to the garage. So it's perfect when this is either a vacation house or even a second house. It adds a little bit of extra storage for beach chairs, bikes, because you know right here it is a double garage, so if you want to fit 2 cars you can, but you can't fit anything extra. So that's what's a super nice feature that the builder added, was a little bit of storage space for you to put beach chairs, you know, bikes and everything that you need to go visit to the beach or hang out with your friends. A nice feature you'll notice in these houses is that it has floor to ceiling tile in the showers. A lot of builders in this area cut the tile off, you know, right above this window right here, but this builder actually went a step above and actually went all to the ceiling, which makes an absolutely amazing nice touch and look and appearance, but it also is a lot more functional so you don't get water on the sheetrock and it starts to peel away. So as you can see, there still needs to be some work done to this house as it is going to be finished in October, such as adding the mirrors in the bathrooms and touching up the paint throughout the house. But nonetheless, this house right behind me is absolutely amazing because of its location. You can't beat being 10 minutes away from the beach, 5 minutes away from, you know, restaurants, shopping, grocery stores, whatever it may be. And this house also does have a lot of builder upgrades, such as, you know, the floor to ceiling tile in the showers, and also that additional storage in the back of the garage was super cool and a very unique feature that a lot of builders do not incorporate here in the Venice, Sarasota area. So with all that being said, you know, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if you are looking to relocate to the Sarasota, Venice area, I have a relocation guide that you guys can check out and kind of see what to be aware of when you're looking to move here. Some of the top restaurants in the area, divide by their category, and much more. So if you guys want that, just drop a comment in the comment section and I'd be more than happy to provide that for you guys. But once again, if you guys have any other questions about this house in particular or any, you know, new construction builds in Sarasota or any houses, whatever that may be, I'd be more than happy to answer any and all those questions for you. You can reach out to me with my contact information up above or also in the description below. But once again, thank you guys very much for watching this video and we will catch you guys all on the flip side.